Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook unknown error. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook unknown error, you should just go to settings like this where you click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page, you will go to click first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff here, as you see, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.